Today, we're exploring the captivating world of Mediterranean cruises and how to navigate through your first ever cruise. If you got the chance, which cruise would you run first and what countries do you want to visit? We have a 10-step list to break this down for you. And the last step is the most important. So allow us to guide you through everything from selecting the perfect cruise to making the most of your adventure. Let's dive in. First, the allure of Mediterranean cruises. Mediterranean cruises are incredibly popular, and for good reason. They offer a unique blend of stunning landscapes, rich history, and diverse cultures. Imagine waking up in a new port each day, perhaps exploring the ruins of Rome, strolling through the charming streets of Santorini, or enjoying the vibrant markets of Barcelona. Each destination brings something special, making a Mediterranean cruise a journey of discovery. Exploring the Mediterranean by ship offers many benefits. Firstly, it provides a convenient and comfortable way to visit multiple countries without the stress of packing and unpacking or dealing with the sad airports. Here, you can enjoy the luxury of the ship while traveling from one iconic city to another. Second, choosing the right cruise. When choosing a cruise, several factors come into play. But let us teach you how to pick the right cruise for you. Consider how much time you have. Short cruises, lasting 3 to 5 days, are perfect for a quick getaway and focus on a specific area like the Western Mediterranean. Longer cruises, spanning 10 to 14 days or more, offer a more in-depth exploration, including both Western and Eastern Mediterranean highlights. Here is a pro tip for you. The size and style of the ship can greatly impact your experience. Larger ships offer a wide range of amenities, such as multiple dining venues, pools, theaters, and activities. However, they can feel crowded. Small ships provide a more intimate atmosphere and can access smaller ports. Choose between luxury cruises, which focus on high-end service and gourmet dining, or family-friendly options that cater to travelers of all ages. Make sure you review the itinerary carefully. Ensure it includes destinations you're excited about. Some itineraries focus on iconic cities, while others may include hidden gems. A well-chosen itinerary maximizes your experience by balancing popular spots with unique destinations. Websites like Cruise Critic provide reviews and ratings from past customers. Third, booking your cruise. The Mediterranean's peak season runs from May to September, offering warm weather and vibrant activities. However, the shoulder seasons, April and October, provide pleasant weather and fewer crowds, making sightseeing more enjoyable. Off-season cruises, from November to March, are less crowded and more affordable, though some attractions may have limited hours. Booking early can secure you the best cabins and rates. If you're flexible, last-minute deals can offer significant savings. Look for promotions like onboard credits or free shore excursions. Loyalty programs can also provide exclusive discounts. Websites like cruise.com and Vacations to Go specialize in last-minute cruise deals. When booking, consider cabin selection, dining options, and what's included in the fare. Choose a cabin that fits your budget and preferences, from inside cabins to luxurious suites. Understand the dining options available. Most cruises include meals in the main dining room, but specialty dining often incurs extra costs. For example, Norwegian Cruise Line's freestyle dining allows you to dine whenever you want with no fixed dining times. Fourth, preparing for your cruise pack. Lightweight clothing for warm days and layers for cooler evenings. Don't forget swimwear for beach and pool days. Comfortable walking shoes are a must for excursions. Bring sunglasses, a hat, and plenty of sunscreen to protect against the Mediterranean sun. Enjoying this video as much as you're about to enjoy your Mediterranean cruise trip? Then make sure you smash that subscribe button right now. While preparing for your cruise, ensure your passport is valid for at least 6 months beyond your travel dates. Check visa requirements for the countries on your itinerary. Print all necessary cruise documents, including boarding passes and identification. Consider travel insurance for added protection. Make sure you book a hotel near the port at least one night before departure to avoid travel delays. Many cruisers opt for hotels with shuttle services to the port. Arrange transportation to the port, whether through shuttles, taxis, or private transfers. If you are leaving from Barcelona, staying in a hotel in the Gothic Quaternary can provide a lovely start to your trip. 5th, onboard experience. It's important to familiarize yourself with the ship's layout. Use the provided map or ship's app to locate key areas like dining rooms, pools, and theaters. Take a self-guided tour upon boarding to get comfortable with your surroundings. Make sure you explore the variety of dining options, from casual buffets to specialty restaurants. Make reservations for specialty dining early to secure your preferred times. Many ships offer flexible dining options, allowing you to dine whenever you choose. And don't forget to participate in a wide range of activities and entertainment. Enjoy Broadway-style shows, live music, cooking classes, and fitness sessions. Planning your daily schedule using the ship's itinerary helps you make the most of your time on board. MSC Cruises offers the Cirque du Soleil at sea, amazing the people on board with their performance. 6th, exploring ports of call. It's important that you decide whether to book excursions through the cruise line or explore independently. Cruise line excursions offer convenience and peace of mind, as the ship will wait for you if a tour runs late. Independent exploration offers flexibility and can be more cost-effective. Research must-visit sites and hidden gems in each port. In Rome, Italy, the must-visit sites include the Colosseum, Vatican City, and the Trevi Fountain. Trastevere neighborhood is a touch of what local Italy is. Santorini, Greece is known for its sunsets and whitewashed buildings. Here is another personal tip for you. Use local transportation, carry some local currency, and learn basic phrases in the local language. This enhances your experience and helps you connect with the culture. 7th, cultural etiquette. Each country has unique customs. In Italy, for example, greeting with a kiss on both cheeks is common, while in Greece, a handshake is the norm. Dress modestly when visiting religious sites, covering shoulders and knees, and sometimes even a head covering is required for women. Engage respectfully with locals. Ask for recommendations, show interest in their culture, and be aware of dining etiquette. This will enrich your experience and foster positive interactions. And you never know, you might make some forever friends. 8th, safety and health keep valuables secure in your cabin safe. Stay alert in crowded areas since pickpockets can be at every corner, and stick to well-lit, populated areas at night. Attend the mandatory safety drill and familiarize yourself with emergency procedures. If prone to seasickness, bring remedies like medication or ginger tablets. Protect yourself from the sun and stay hydrated, especially during excursions. 9th, budgeting and expenses. Monitor your spending on extras like drinks, spa treatments, and souvenirs. Consider drink packages to save money if you plan to enjoy beverages on board. Opt for local eateries instead of tourist spots and look for free or low-cost attractions. Many cities offer free walking tours, providing valuable insights from local guides. Understand gratuities and any additional charges. Most cruise lines add gratuities to your onboard account, covering dining and housekeeping staff. Be aware of extra costs for specialty dining, alcoholic beverages, and certain activities. Always remember, a daily budget of $8100 covers the majority of expenses, but having extra for surprises or unusual experiences is prudent. On your journey, keep an eye out for fluctuating currency rates and pricing. Make sure you hit that like button if you don't want to go back home broke. Making the most of your cruise. This is an oldie, but something we all need to hear. Don't overpack. Make sure you bring versatile clothing and essentials, leaving lots of room for souvenirs. Avoid overscheduling and balance activities with relaxation. In your vacation schedule, make sure you add in sea days to relax and enjoy ship amenities. Plan port days efficiently, prioritizing must-see attractions while leaving room for spontaneous discoveries. We don't need to remind you this, but make sure you take photos of landmarks, scenic views, and candid moments. Keep a travel journal to document experiences, reflections, and personal insights. One day you can pass it down to your kids and reflect on your time at the cruise. A memorable outcome in a physical aspect. Share your dream destination spots in the comments below. And don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to the channel for more fascinating content like this. See you next time!